So microprocessor will work as a CPU. So instead of CPU, we connect the microprocessor so that become the compute computer. So this figure shows the microprocessor. To the microprocessor we have connected input device, and also we have connected the output devices and the memory. So this become the compute computer. So microprocessor is nothing but the heart of microcomputer. Figure shows the architectural block diagram of microprocessor 8085. It contains different groups are there, different blocks are there. That is, block diagram of microprocessor contains, first is arithmetic and logical group. Then second thing is register group, instruction register and decoder, timing and control group, interrupt control group, serial IO control group. So these are the main blocks of the microprocessor. Out of that, this figure shows the pin configuration of group signals 8085. So what are the different functions of pin? What are the different pins group signal of 8085 is shown. Pin configuration and group signal of microprocessor 8085 are, that is, there are 40 pins. Out of that, 16 pins for address and data bus. That means address is of 16 bit and data is of 8 bit. But only 16 pins are used for address bus and data bus. So demultiplexing is used for this. Same pins are used for address as well as for data. Then there are 3 pins for status signals there. That is ALE, S0 and S1. All these things we have studied in the last year. So control signal are there. That is IOM, RD, WR and ready. They are the 4 pins as a control signal. Different types of interrupt signals. That is a trap and restart signal. That is a RST 7.5, RST 6.5, RST 5.5, INTR and INTA. These are the 6 pin. Trap is the highest priority interrupt signal, and INTA is the interrupt acknowledgement for the in response to the INTR. Then clock signals are there. 3 pins for clock signal, that is X1, X2 and clock out. Reset signal, 2 pins are there, reset in and reset out. Again there is a facility of direct memory access. That is a DMA request signal is there. 2 pins for that, hold and HLDA. Then serial IO signal is there. That means data is transferred to the output devices, or data is taken from the outside. That is a serial input output device through SID and SOD line. Serial input device or serial output device. These are the 2 pins, SID and SOD. And last is power supply signal, that is a VCC and ground signal. So these are the 40 pins. So 8085 has 40 pins. So what are the different features of microprocessor 8085? So first is, it is a 8-bit microprocessor. It can accept 8-bit data. Then 7 8-bit registers. What are that? A, B, C, D, E, H and L. So A is the accumulator. All calculations are performed in the accumulator. 8085 has 16-bit address. Hence 2 raised to the power 16. That means it can access 64 kilobyte memory. It generates 8-bit IO address that can access 2 raised to the power 8, that is can access 256 IO ports. Program status word PSW. It provides 5 hardware interrupt. It provides direct memory access facility. Just we have seen HLDA and hold signal is there. 8-bit stack pointer. Serial peripherals can be interfaced through two serial lines, SOD and SID, that is serial output device and serial input device. And flag register with 5 different flags, that is a Z means 0 flag, S means sign flag, CY means carry flag, AC means auxiliary carry flag, and P is the parity flags. These are the 5 different flags. These are the different features of microprocessor.